Make these delicious apple fritters. Let's get started. Crack 2 egg yolks into a bowl, add sugar and mix everything well. You can find all the ingredients and measurements in the description. Next, pour in the kefir and mix again. Add baking soda, followed by the flour, stirring continuously. Once combined, let the batter rest in the fridge for 10 minutes. Now, whip the egg whites until they form a fluffy white foam. Meanwhile, peel the apple and cut it into small cubes. Drizzle the apple pieces with a bit of lemon juice to keep them fresh. Add the chopped apples to the batter and mix well. Then gently fold in the whipped egg whites, stirring slowly to keep the batter light and airy. Time to fry. Heat some oil in a pan and drop spoonfuls of batter onto it. Cook on both sides until golden brown and crispy. Enjoy your delicious homemade apple fritters.